Hello everyone. So in this video we would practice how to use apply function using Python libraries. So the first we'll import our library, so pandas and numpy. Let's import those. I'll be giving you this link so you can download the dataset from this link. Okay. So the dataset is all about student alcohol consumption, or if we print the first 5 row. So I haven't uploaded the dataset, so wait. So let me upload this. कहाँ रखा है मैंने? अच्छा ये वाला है. अपलोड हो गया. अब अगर मैं रन करता हूँ तो या so these are the first 5 rows of this dataset. So the first question we have is, for the purpose of this exercise, slice the data frame. So we have to slice the data frame from school until the guardian column. So guardian, where is guardian? Guardian will be in between these rows. Okay, so let's do that. So for this, first let's make a variable. So let's say student alco. Okay, now our dataset name is df dot. We'll be using log function. Here we'll be slicing from school to guardian, right? Guardian. All right, then simply we need to alco dot head. Yeah, so this simply will give us school to guardian dataset. Okay, now it says create a lambda function that will capitalize string. Okay, so एक वेरिएबल का नाम रखते हैं कैपिटलाइजर. इन दैट एक लैम्डा वेरिएबल होगा, लैम्डा x. देन विल सिंपली x dot capitalize function. Okay, एरर अच्छा लैम्डा होता है या लैम्डा. ओके, इसमें जनरली हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव कैपिटलाइज बोथ एम जॉब एंड इफ जॉब. तो अगर हम वो करते हैं, स्टूडेंट एल्को के अंदर हमें एम जॉब we need to apply this function which is capitalizer. Spelling ठीक लगा मैंने, capitalizer. Okay, same we have to do another one which is if job, mean for female jobs, right? Apply capitalizer, and if we run this cell, while error, str object has no attribute as capitalize. क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? Capitalize ये हो गया. And if we run this, okay, so it gives us if job this. अगर मैं इसको comment out करता हूँ, this will give me aim job. ठीक है, तो इसको मैं एक different cell में मैं लिख लेता हूँ, को कट करके different cell for female jobs. Okay, now it says print the last element of the dataset. So simply go dot, now हमें tail यूज करेंगे हम simply, तो लास्ट से हमें dataset दिखा देगा. That's it. So yeah, did you notice the original data frame is still lowercase? Okay, why is that? Fix it and capitalize m job and if job. How we'll do that? So simply stud alco m job. We need to change it. So alco mjob will apply our simply capitalizer. We'll simply copy this, and this time for F. Okay, then simply if we print this, we get all all is in mjob and fjob. All right, so now the ninth one is create a function called majority that returns a boolean value to a new column called legal drinker. Consider the majority as older than 17 years old. Okay, let's do it. So we need to create a function majority. So majority, in here we'll pass a single age argument, and the condition is if x is greater than 17, we need to return true, mean he or she can drink, and else return false, and that's it. Now simply algo, we need to create a new column called legal drinker. Here what we will do, we'll simply algo will compare as per age. We'll apply this function called majority. Then let's see our data frame. So our legal, the spelling is wrong. So yeah, see, for age 18 true, for 17 is false, for 15 false, like this. Now it says multiple every number of the data set by 10. So let's do it. So let's get a function, right? So times 10, we simply pass an argument. If type x is int, then we have to check it. If it is int or float, then return 10 multiply with that x variable, or return the x. Okay, and then we'll simply apply map, use the function which is times 10, and let's see how it looks the first 5 rows. So yeah, it just doesn't make sense, but still it just multiplies all those numerical values with 10. So yeah, that's it. This is the first practice of using apply functions. We'll be having one more. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like and subscribe.